Today, we'll learn how to construct a triangle whose length of three sides are given. So for that, let's take the help of an example. So the example given is, we have sides as AB is 6 cm, CB is 7 cm and AC is 5 cm. Now let's make a rough sketch of it to see how it's gonna look like. So first we'll take CB as base equal to 7 cm. So we have CB is equal to 7 cm. Now we'll construct each of the other sides, AB or AC. So let's say we construct AB first. So our AB would be somewhere here of 6 cm and our AC would be the line joining these 2 points of 5 cm. So this is roughly what a triangle should look like. And that is exactly what our approach is going to be to construct this triangle. First, we'll fix our compass length to 7 cm and make the base CB. Then we'll fix our compass length to 6 cm and make one side AB. And finally, we'll fix our compass length to 5 cm to make the last side AC. So let's see how it works. So let's take a rough sketch somewhere here. So we have a reference every time we're constructing something, and also get the information here, which is the lengths of sides. So we have AB is 6 cm, CB is 7 cm and AC is 5 cm. So let's start our construction. First, we'll draw the base using compass, and we know the base is equal to CB equals 7 cm. So what we'll do here, we'll take out a pencil and scale and we'll draw any line, right, of any length. Now to get 7 cm, what we'll do is we'll take our compass out and fix it to length 7 cm. And now that we have that length, we'll cut an arc on the line that we created such that this length is 7 cm, and then we'll only take this length as our base. And that is it. So our first side, which is the base, CB equals 7 cm, is constructed. And you can see here in the rough sketch that this side is constructed. Now let's try constructing AB. So for that, we'll fix the compass length to one of the sides, which is AB, and cut an arc with one end of compass at that vertex. So here AB is 6 cm. Again, what we'll have to first do is fix our compass length to this side. So we'll take our scale and our compass, we'll fix it to 6 cm because that is the length of side AB. And then we'll place this compass on one vertex B because we're considering the side AB. And as you can see, this is fixed at 6 cm, so we'll cut an arc here. And now we understand this length is fixed at 6 cm, and this is somewhere where the vertex A should be. So now to get the exact place where that A vertex should be, we'll do the same exercise for the other side, which is AC as 5 cm. So third, we'll do the same for other side, AC as 5 cm. So again, we'll fix our compass to length 5 cm now. So our compass length is fixed to 5 cm. Then we'll place it on the vertex C because now we are constructing AC. And we'll cut this previous arc that we had with another arc so that we can completely ascertain where this vertex A can be now. And that is at the intersection of both the arcs. So finally what we need to do is, we know what vertex A is because it is at the intersection. We'll just have to connect the intersection arc to the vertices to make triangle, right? So if this is where our A should be, then we can join this point and B to get the side AB. So let's take out a pencil and scale. We place our scale here with our pencil here. And as you can see, this is exactly 6 cm because we fixed our compass to exactly that length. So now all we need to do is connect these 2 points. And there it is. That is the side AB with length 6 cm. And as you can see here, now this side is also constructed. So lastly, it looks very close to our reference figure. And finally, we'll just construct the remaining side. And that is again by taking out a pencil and scale. And as you can see, this is exactly 5 cm. So all we need to do now is connect both these points to get the remaining side. So we have it here. And this is AC of length 5 cm. And in our rough sketch, the final side is also constructed. And that is how you construct a triangle whose length of 3 sides are known. Thank you.